Okay, so this is something Platz have sent us, a 1/12 realistic rifles set. I must admit I don't know much about the 1/12 scale figures. Box art is obviously, I think, is pretty enticing. On the side, just a bit more information. On the back, shows you 3 types of rifles, 2 of each. M4A1, that's a Soviet one. Not too sure what that one is. I'll have to have a look and add it on at the end of the video. A couple of examples of use. So let's open the box, see what's inside. Okay, so we have one bag, one set of instructions. So, instructions seem pretty clear. Everything's in Japanese, so maybe these are designed for the Japanese market. Maybe that's where we'll find suitable figures for these. Instructions, not many parts, seems pretty straightforward. Options of butts for that one. Tripod folded or extended. Front sheet. Just a few more instructions. Painting guide. Colour callouts. GSI, Mr. Colour and testors. So that seems pretty straightforward. And then we have one bag. So I will open this back in a second. Okay, so you get it's basically 4 frets, although this one is a double fret with frets. The top here is fret A, there's fret B, and the smaller one is fret C. It's not going to take you long to build these. They're quite nicely detailed, I must admit. Separate handguard, so you can actually see down to the barrel beneath the handguard, as in real weapons. Same with all these as well. Very nicely detailed. This should look very nice on figures. So I'll take some photos of the sprues so you can have a closer look. The first rifle is the American-made M4A1, which is obviously the next version of the M4. It entered service in 2014, is still in production now. This is a nicely detailed kit. There's only 3 parts to it, so it shouldn't take you long. As you can see, there's some nice detail in here when you zoom in quite close. It's a nice kit. The next one is the Russian Dragunov SVD and PSO1 sight. This was introduced in 1963 and the sight came in 1964. When the sight came in, it was the best performing or the most advanced, widely produced sight in the world. As again, this is there's not too many parts to this. It's very nicely detailed. You can see a sort of an extreme close-up here going along, and there's plenty of nice detail there. And again, another nice model. The final weapon is the Japanese Hauer Type 89 assault rifle. This one was in production from 1989 to the present day, and apparently it's still in production. It's only used with Japanese forces, and again, this model there's not too many parts to it as you'd expect, but it is nicely detailed, as you can see from the close-ups. It should make a nice model, the same as all the others. The final page is the colour callouts for the 3 weapons. All of them should be pretty simple. The only one you might have a few issues with is the wood grain on the SVD, but if you look around the internet you'll find that you can also do this one in black, so you can avoid that if you want to. So overall, Basically 3 pairs of rifles. They're very nicely detailed. They should look good when you if you paint them up nicely. They'll go nicely, obviously, with your 1/12 figures. And thanks to Platz for sending them along for review.